Cache Giraffe progress disappears after reinstall, because the app stores your earnings on a server account tied to your login. But if you sign in incorrectly, or the sync fails, it can look like everything reset. By the end, you'll understand why your Cache Giraffe progress is missing after reinstall, and the exact steps to recover it, or confirm whether it's still saved. First thing to check is whether you're logged into the exact same account you used before. Cache Giraffe progress is tied to your login method, not just the device. If you used Google Play Games, email login, or a different sign-in option, switching even one detail can create a brand new empty account. Next, check your internet connection during first launch after reinstall. If the app can't properly sync with the server on startup, it may load a blank profile locally and keep showing zero progress until a full refresh happens. Switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data and restarting the app often forces a clean sync. Another common issue is delayed server restoration. Even when your account is correct, it can take a short time for earnings history and progress to fully reload after reinstall. If the servers are busy or your account has a large history, the app may temporarily show incomplete data. Also check whether you accidentally created a duplicate account. This happens when users reinstall and tap Continue instead of Sign In, which generates a fresh profile. That new profile has no history, which looks like your progress was lost even though the original account still exists. If you think this happened, log out immediately and try every sign-in method you previously used. Try Google, email, or any linked account options one by one until your original balance appears. Another step that helps is clearing leftover app data before reinstalling again. Sometimes corrupted local files carry over and confuse the login process. Uninstall the app, restart your phone, then reinstall and sign in fresh. If everything is correct but progress still doesn't show, the issue may be server-side syncing delay. In that case, waiting a few hours and reopening the app often restores the missing data automatically. One important warning: avoid creating multiple accounts to test recovery. That can split your data and make it harder to restore your original progress. Quick summary: lost progress after reinstall usually comes from wrong login, new account creation, or sync failure. Fix it by confirming your login method first, then forcing a fresh connection, then waiting for server sync if needed. Most cases are not actual data loss, just account mismatch or delayed syncing. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fix guides like this.